Good morning, my weirdos. So nice to see you this morning. I'm going to not look at you, but I'm going to talk to you while I drive this morning. So I told you guys that I straightened up my Poshmark area, making sure I don't run over the guy who's roofing the house across the street. Anyway, I straightened up that whole area, and like I said, it doesn't look great, but it's better than it was, and it's probably about as good as it's going to be until I decide to invest in some kind of a storage system, which I may never do. You guys, you might as well know ahead of time. Just putting it out there. I'm cheap. I'm cheap as the day is long. Anyway, so I told you I listed some stuff last night, and then also this morning, because everything was organized and I had hung up some clothes last night and they were all ready to be listed, I just took maybe 10 minutes this morning to list 2 items, which was great. 2 items are listed, done. I've shared my closet, I have listed a few items, and I am on the road to a meeting, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. That's good. And I'm really proud of that. And I think that that's, not that we all don't already know that having things organized makes things a lot easier, but it was just such a breeze this morning to list a few items and leave. Not a big deal. Anyway, if you're wondering what's in the back of my car today, I'm telling you, I should have a truck, because even though I'm a social worker and I drive a Chevy Impala, I haul more crap around than most people who have a truck, I'm sure. Anyway, it's just shredding. That's a box of shredding back there, going to the shredding place. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I had that one sale on the blue and red top that I showed you guys, the $20 sale that happened immediately, and that was awesome. I have not had any other sales since then, but I have had a lot of likes. And you know, I've noticed that when I share my closet consistently all through the week, and I was told this at some point, and I'm sorry I don't remember who said it, but I heard that most people get paid on Thursdays. And so Thursday, Friday, Saturday are likely to be your highest sales days. And I think that pattern is true in my closet. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys have noticed that in your closets or in any business that you might be in where people have to spend money. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful, safe day. Please subscribe, and also please share this video, because I'm, like I always say, I'm really enjoying talking with you guys on a regular basis and just keeping you informed of little life things that are going on and my Poshmark travels and all that. So anyway, love you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.